Good morning everyone. Welcome to online classes. Today we shall discuss about the intercalculation of interest on drawings under average period method. In the last class we shall discuss about how to calculate interest on drawings on the beginning of the month if a partner is withdrawn, and we also know that if a partner has withdrawn at the end of the month we have to calculate the interest on drawings. Now we have to going to learn in this class how do you calculate the interest on drawings if the partner has withdrawn middle of the month, beginning of the month, end of the month, and also on quarterly basis how we have to calculate the interest. We should learn in this class only. So take one question about the calculation of interest on drawings of a partner at the middle and end of the financial year. Let's come to the question. Question number 1. Ajit and Vijit are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2. Stop. Ajit withdrawn rupees 1,500 at the middle of every month. Vijit withdrawn at the end of every month for half year ending 39/2019. Stop. Calculate interest on both drawings. Calculate interest on both drawings at 8% per annum under average period method. So this is the question. So in this question two partners are there. So two partners are withdrawing the same amount but different dates. During that time how much of interest has to be paid by each partner after their completion of their tenure. So how much of interest will be there, that we have to calculate it according to the following 3 steps. Before going to make the solution, just once we have to analyze the question itself. Ajit and Vijit. So Ajit is one partner, Vijit is one more partner, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. If in case in the future they have to get any profit or any losses, during that time they have to share that according to this ratio. So the ratio will not affect it. To our question, ignore that one. Ajit withdrawn rupees 1,500 at the middle of every month. So this is very important term. He withdrawing rupees 1,500 at the middle of every month. So this is belongs to Ajit, one partner's information. Next, one more partner's information which is available, that is Vijit withdrawn rupees 1500 at end of every month. So this partner withdrawing the same amount at the end of every month for half year ending. So information is available only for half year, that is for 6 months, not for 1 year. So half year ending date they are given up to 30th/9/2019. This is the ending date. Calculate interest on both drawings, that means Ajit and Vijit drawings at 8% per annum. Rate of interest is 8% per annum under average period method. So this is the question in which they have to given the information. With the help of this information, we have to calculate interest on drawings by following 3 steps only. Step number 1, we have to calculate the average period. Step number 2, we have to calculate total amount of drawings. Step number 3, we have to calculate interest on drawing. So let's come to the solution. First, we have to write down the heading what we are going to calculate. Calculation of interest on drawings. Calculation of interest on drawings. First we have to write down the heading. Under that, step 1, calculation of average period. Calculation of average period. This is the first step. So while calculating the average period, we have one formula. Average period is equal to long period plus short period divided by 2. This is the formula with which we have to calculate interest on drawings. Now we have to calculate the long period, but in this question the beginning of the date is not given but the closing date is given, that is 30th/9/2019. Therefore always accounting year will be begins on 1st April onward, that is 1/4 is the opening date up to half year means 6 months. When the 6 months is ended means 30th September they are given. Therefore April to September we have to get how many months? April, May, June, July, August and September, that is long period is 6 months. But this partner is withdrawing at the middle of every month. So that means the 1st April 15 days will not countable in this question only, because in the 6 months first 15 days we have to reduce, we have to avoid. During that time the long period is 5.5 plus in the month of April 15 days we are not counting. Then how many months we are counted? Only 15 days, that is 0.5 divided by 2. Therefore 6 divided by 2 we will get average period is 3 months is the average period. So this is step number 1. Let's come to step 2. In the step number 2 we have to calculate the total drawings. Calculation of total drawings. Therefore how to calculate the total drawings means total drawings is equal, total drawings is equal amount of drawings, into number of months, amount of drawings into number of months. So with the help of this we have to calculate the interest amount of drawings. So here total drawings we don't know, this is question mark. Amount of drawings which is available in our question, that is 1500 at the middle of every month. Ajit with the drawing, so 1500. So 1500 is the amount of drawings into number of months, means for half year ending, half year means we will get 6 months we have to get. Therefore total drawings is equal 9015. 6 are 90. So as it is 2 zeros we have to carry forward. So total drawings is equal 9000. This is step number 2. Let's come to step 3. Step 3. Calculation of interest on drawings. So now interest is equal interest on drawings is equal, we have one formula, total drawings into rate of interest into average period into 1 divided by 12. So this is the formula we have to calculate interest on drawings. Now so implement the formula. Interest on drawings we don't know, that is question mark, is equal total drawings which is calculated in the step number 2, that is rupees 9000 into rate of interest which is available in our question, that is 8% per annum. So we have to implement it here, 8 divided by 100 into average period which is calculated in the step number 1, that is 3. So into 3 into 1 divided by 12. So 1 by 12 is common value. So therefore interest on drawings is equal interest on drawings is equal. So we have to simplify this one. We will get the answer rupees 180 rupees we have to get. So like this manner we have to calculate interest on drawings in the middle of the month of Ajit. So interest on drawings of Ajit is rupees 180. So this is the first sum, half sum we have to complete it. Remaining half sum is there. So by following the same step we have to calculate the interest on drawings.